So next up, guys, got a Peterbilt day cab here. So this is a 2013 Peterbilt 386. Like I said, it's a day cab truck. Got right around 604,000 miles, approximately, a little under maybe, like 16,600 hours. Got the big Cummins ISX 15, be a 400 horse diesel motor, I believe is what the tag says. Eaton Fuller 10-speed transmission. It's been detailed, interior's nice and clean, air sliding fifth wheel. Air conditioner does blow hard. It's lukewarm, I'd say. It probably needs to be recharged. It's maybe got a slight chill to it, but it needs to be probably a shot colder. But really beyond that, guys, truck starts up, forward, reverse. Frame's really clean. Cold, rust-free truck. So I'm here with Pat. He'll fire it up. He'll give you a nice demo. Starts up right away. Really, guys, sharp looking truck. Does everything it's supposed to. I would feel pretty dang good about it. I do think it's got maybe an air leak. We heard hissing. Might have a couple, like an ABS light, maybe a check engine light on. The thing runs around the lot pretty good. He'll do a nice big circle for you. We've got some trucks in the middle, so it'll be blocked for a second, but it'll come back to you. Coming up for auction, it's gonna be on auction time there. Yeah, you find a Peterbilt day cab that's rust-free and clean like this one, pretty desirable machine. Aluminum rims, obviously. So there's the demo, guys, of the 2013 Peterbilt 386 day cab truck. Look, guys, auction time at Old 20 auction.